Hello, agus fátear go program Gàidhlig. Welcome to program 40 of Speaking Our Language. This week we're going to be talking about preferences. Agus is seo an caisteal rilai, agus an náte chinile, bishin coiat piperoch. Here at Stirling Castle and elsewhere we're going to be looking at piping, and we're going to be talking to two of the most respected piping experts in the world. Now, to say that you prefer something, you would say Siar laum, I prefer, followed by whatever it is. Siar laum.
I crave ash on the film.
Ah.
And I'm back to sauce.
Ah.
Get for a kasha?
Sherloom hammer.
Che how we care the old. Coffee no Kalanya Fian.
Oh, Sherloom fian.
Fian Gel no Fian Gerard.
Sherloom fian chera.
Charlem Fian Jarak. I prefer red wine. Charlem Fian Jarak.
Nishe, velor an jalla weg a chur suasan sin feiscer an chéine.
Hanne me kindjach.
Agus fétí jalla bhórda gal nóla sin de tíh na hinneige.
Cum suasir a minute.
An jelí donna.
Hanne lisakam.
Té mi gén seomathe.
Sherloom sin.
Papelef. Jet of Jach.
Hanile sakken. Ha fisha kusnok na gel.
Sherle me fisha gelle.
Wel u kent jo.
Ha. Ganjer.
Wel u kjori nega.
Later on tonight, Stirling Castle is the setting for an annual recital lecture in memory of John McFadden, a piper whose mission in life was to encourage research into the origins and continuing history of the great Highland bagpipe. He considered such knowledge to be far greater reward than prize money, cups or medals. Siar I prefer, siar. And in that last scene, the woman also said, Vil u keinjoch? Are you sure or are you certain? Vil u keinjoch? Eiste bhríist son siar laum, agus son keinjoch.
An jelí donna.
Hanne lisakam.
Té mi gén seomathe.
Sherloom sin.
Papelef. Jet of Jach.
Hanile sakken. Ha fisha kusnok na gel.
Sherle me fisha gelle.
Wel u kent jo.
Ha. Ganjer.
Wel u kjori nega.
Get for a kasha?
Sherloom hammer.
Che how we care the old. Coffee no Kalanya Fian.
Oh, Sherloom fian.
Fian Gel no Fian Gerard.
Sherloom fian chera.
And here's the piper we saw at the beginning of the programme, Seamus McNeill from the College of Piping. Hello, Hamish.
Hello, Rhoda.
Tell me, what's the difference between Ceol Mór and Ceol Big?
Well, Ceol Big literally means small music, and it's the music that's used for marching and for dancing. Ceol Mór is the classical music of the bagpipe, and it consists of an urlar and a number of variations coming after it. The Gaelic word urlar, which means a floor, is usually translated as ground when we talk about piras. So we play the urlar or the ground first, then the variations.
And you're going to give us an example now.
Yes, well, the urlar start, just the beginning of one of the urlars of a tune is this. Then the first variation goes. then there's a whole lot more variations come on after that, each one getting more complicated.
Tell me honestly, which do you prefer, Ceol Mór or Ceol Big?
Honesty, Ceol Mór.
Gleva, Tapalev, thank you. Now, in these next situations, look out for the question, J is Shar let. Which or what do you prefer? J is Shar let.
Fashion cúpa má stitching yad an train.
Channe le sac me vel títe go leor an.
Ha, te hála sin.
Ceas go leor.
Tuki.
Go mar an open the juca you ma.
Ha, te me tata you jay.
Sé Clevan. Seo. Cúm sin agus yam hinia. Ye Sherla, Tina coffee.
Coffee. Coffee too.
E velu gar siúcar.
Channe.
J.S. Charlotte. Which do you prefer, or what do you prefer? J.S. Charlotte.
Shan Discovery, non Range Rover a hound. Jeta Vech.
Channe lisacum. Channe mi ceintioch I dir. Di Charlatan.
Charlem he a Range Rover.
An fashion your Range Rover maha.
Och, yuf.
J. Charlotte.
Sharlam an ferseo.
Charlem hing in fashion kuchach. Jane high.
Tríchéad nácht.
Channe le sing donna.
Channeal.
Charlem Fershaw. I prefer this one, Fershaw. Charlem Fershaw. And the woman also said, Charlem Fershin, Kujoch. I prefer that one too. Fershin, that one, Fershin. Ishtivarish.
J. Charlotte.
Sharlam an ferseo.
Charlem hing in fashion kuchach. Jane high.
Tríchéad nácht.
Channe le sing donna.
Channeal.
Shan Discovery, non Range Rover a hound. Jeta Vech.
Channe lisacum. Channe mi ceintioch I dir. Di Charlatan.
Charlem he a Range Rover.
An fashion your Range Rover maha.
Och, yuf.
Sure, Alan Paternoch. Here's Alan Beaton. Alan is Secretary of the McFadden Memorial Trust. Alan, Kimmer Hashiv.
Hanna Katoya.
J. Charlatan, Ceol Mór, no Ceol Big.
Os tal Ceol Big, Sharlam Ceol Mór.
Agus J. Fawn Charlotte, what's your favourite tune?
Stel me ferseo. Cua vi can toshich.
Tapalev. Fershaw, this one. You'll also hear Fershin, that one. And Cheshin is that one as well. Fershin is used for things that are grammatically masculine, and Cheshin is used for things that are grammatically feminine. The words for chanter, guitar, and accordion are masculine, so Fershin is used. The words for harp, violin, bagpipe, and whistle are all feminine, so Cheshin is used. So what about the names of the bagpipe itself? Alan, evil anam a hula peas yen feeb.
Ha.
Sheikh Jehan.
Shin of all, the bag of all. Shin na tush, the drones na tush. Agus sho am fitan, the chanter am fitan.
Gleva. Now, Stelom killed Napiba. I like the music of the pipes, but it seems to be something that people either love or loathe. To say that you loathe or hate something, you would say, is le orom. I hate is le orom.
Hi, Jay the Hor.
Corma.
Jay hacking the moch.
Wel, ha chili iawn.
Catalum chili it is.
Agus ha curry iawn.
Slow and curry. Calam with tea.
Ha, salad.
Oh.
Yn golwg dy mi iawn ele.
Mi dwli, Jay hwrtw.
Yn golwg dy mi iawn ele.
A chlofa, Jay mae ein.
Wel, ha... Of slor yn giolsyn.
A chwad.
O... Ha sy'n na siar.
Is lu orm an Kjolshin. I detest or I loathe that music. Is lu orm an Kjolshin.
Jimmy ain't Anam on them phone. What about the names of the tunes?
There are salutes, gatherings, or laments, like Cuavik and Hoji, which is Macintosh's lament. Some are named after legendary battles, like the desperate Battle of the Birds.
Shag. In earlier programmes, we had the word ard, meaning high or tall. It can also be used to mean loud. Ha-e-cho ard, it's so loud. Ha-e-cho ard. Eistiv eisht, agus eistiv son, is lu orom. I loathe or I detest, is lu orom.
Hi, Jay the Hor.
Corma.
Jay hacking the moch.
Wel, ha chili iawn.
Catalum chili it is.
Agus ha curry iawn.
Slow and curry. Calam with tea.
Ha, salad.
Oh.
Yn golwg dy mi iawn ele.
A chlofa, Jay mae ein.
Wel, ha... Of slor yn giolsyn.
A chwad.
O... Ha sy'n na siar.
This is the present location of the College of Piping in Glasgow. There are learners here of all ages and backgrounds and different abilities.
At the moment, we're very pressed for space in here. As you can see, we only have 3 teaching rooms, or cubicles really. In the new place, we'll have a lot more. The new building, of course, is just across from the Theatre Royal at the top of Hope Street in Glasgow. And when we move in there next year, this will really be the capital of the piping world.
I bet you wish you were already there.
I sure do. This is what it'll look like, in fact, when it's finished.
Super, thank you. In these next situations, look out for the phrase biar loom. I prefer or I'd rather. Biar loom.
Hanner yn go fechgyn. Berlum gyda mi mof.
Berlum y fi ac yn dau.
Biarlam a viek an thai. I'd prefer to be at home, or I'd rather be at home. Biarlam a viek an thai.
Amarach bí an duisce an ríist agus bí fuair fat an bhá.
Biarlam vir súl Lyle na Mallorca. Tak, Balav.
Chetoveha. If you want to ask what someone would prefer, you would say J biar let. Which or what do you prefer? J biar let. Look out for J biar let and also the phrase Ganulig meishin. I can't stand that. Ganulig meishin.
J biarlacht. Yeah, Ganulig me semolina. Seo me ha Jamie ein tapioca.
Hey, anulig na meatloaf. Jay laget.
Balav?
Jay laget.
Guns N' Roses, Nirvana, Jay Bjarlacht.
Berlum Nirvana.
Kerskeljór.
J Bjarlacht. What or which would you prefer? J Bjarlacht. Ganulig me shin. I can't stand that, or I can't bear that. Ganulig me shin.
Gàidhlig, rár ást.
Carro, achas slúar an Beethoven.
Ó, ha mi dúlig. J. Bearlíf.
Well,
Rúad a bhisteach. J. Bearlíf.
a bhfuil Vivaldi acab.
In that last scene, the more formal leave was used. J. Biar leave. Which do you prefer? J. Biar leave. Eist yw eist?
Ha mi Gàidhlig, rár ást.
Carro, achas slúar an Beethoven.
Ó, ha mi dúlig. J. Bearlíf.
Well,
Rúad a bhisteach.
Well, it might not look like much at the moment, but one day this will be the new College of Piping, an important resource for pipers throughout the world. And they won't have any of the neighbours complaining about the noise here. Agus inis cargus and drama acting, and friendships are definitely under strain in this episode. Ian and Seamus are both attracted to Kate, but she is preoccupied with her feelings for Toromod, a relationship which he seems determined to end.
Wel, is ac ydi ein J. Sherlums yn un y drama.
Le bod yn ich.
Sinne, i fi feichgyn. Sio cwt gyn sy'n ysdiach. Ffwrdd i'ch sy'n.
Ms. Donaldson, feisgar ma.
Feisgar ma?
Nisht, nach y sio fer y siarad. Hatal yma fer mwad.
Har o gyd. Siarlam y ffeth sio ach chatalam yn da.
Yn da?
Gamal eich galian, ydy gwyd eisiau carsio gosia?
Siaw, eisiau da eil eisiau gyrru.
Siarlam yn da sy'n. Wanye.
Sy'n da yn y sŵl yna, gwanye?
O, wse. Chanie?
O, chanie. Ha dawn. Siaw sy'n dawn gyw.
O, se dynnu. Wafas o'ch.
Yn car sio ma ha. Car snog wanye.
Che?
Chan y car ac yn y siar na. Totwg am office ma ha, Mrs. Donaldson. Sio gyrru cwft o coffi?
Fe mi am ffalt ac am yna. Agus dresŵr ac am chwrara. Agus ec je chwyrin, cwfys ec yn doris.
Sti siarad yn op y dŵr na'n op y ddigag.
Siarad yw'n op y dŵr.
As y derigyd?
Yn ylyn derigyd dana. Ach y hyn, ysdach chi'n siarad am ein y drama. Jay yn jalw chlich y han maad ik bawr in a halapa. Ne tjal af lik ure haun.
Sje termet mag kefie skriven. Skriven de gecht am ginjach. Ha kecht go bria. Jer maar avari madi.
Ha kjara. Agus en wil kecht agus termet de fallavlik hele.
Ga je sak na termet post. Ha kompas de skolas of kecht ku you.
Hamish, Gaidhlig
Hi. Van mijn dal geven die jij en gaan je laat stui. Het worst met hem heen. Kan je me al horen kijkt? Mis doe je minuut? Stille me duis, ja. Nou, alles als ja.
Ha Annetje er Keelin nog.
Stille me duis, toch ga ik het. Alles valt.
Hallo? Sta heen aan. Wie hoe haalt je al goed? Karsan.
Je draagt nergens.
Kan jij? Vind me.
Door elkaar hier. Hi, eens doe heen nou.
Hi, Hamish. Tja, hoe is het jij zo?
Dan moet je een geel eerst.
Ach, waarom is het hij tullig?
Ga niet lekker tjuffer. Ga me zeggen geel het kijkt.
Oh, ik ken me erbij.
Ga niet met kindje. Hoe stik er allemaal daar hier geel?
Agus?
Wel, ga je liefst zeggen wat champagne de worst. Kun je en dan mag zwemmen met je paal.
Hallo, G. Hoe Seamus, rumken al ik een kaar. Dus han ik mijn noas.
Shoot die gestjag. Geef ik wanneer champagne?
Sineem ha son program show. That's it for this program. And that is be Shane Gianif Coimis. Next time we'll be making comparisons and we'll be looking at the architecture and some of the work of Charles Rennie Mackintosh. Until then, Marshant leaving Rasta. Bye for now.
In this programme, we introduced you to Charlem, Gia Charlat, Islöörum, Bjarlum, J Bjarlat, Chanulik Mishin, Am Ferschen, An Chashin,